In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. We will head straight to the built-in menu for extensions so we can reach the Chrome Web Store. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, find Extensions, then choose the option that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. Chrome may open the store in a new tab, and that's exactly where we want to be. Once the Chrome Web Store is open, use the search bar at the top left and type Claude. You will see a list of results. Click into the official Claude extension. Take a quick moment to confirm you are on the correct page by checking that it looks professional and trustworthy. With a clear description and recent updates, this helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you are installing the genuine tool. Now, click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to grant the necessary permissions. Chrome will quickly download and install the extension. And you should see a confirmation message appear near the top right of your browser. That means the installation was successful. Next, let's make the extension easy to access. Click the puzzle piece icon in the top right toolbar to open the extensions menu. Find Claude in the list and click the little thumbtack icon next to it. Pinning the extension keeps the Claude icon visible on your toolbar, saving you time later. With it pinned, click the Claude icon in your toolbar to launch it. You will be prompted to sign in with your account credentials. Enter your login details carefully and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in. If you use extra security like verification codes, keep those private and never share them publicly. Once signed in, the extension is ready to use in your current browser session. If the icon doesn't appear immediately after installation, open the Extensions menu again and make sure Claude is pinned. Also, double-check that you are signed in to the correct browser profile if you use more than one. Small details like these keep everything running smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching.